To get started, perform a search in Apollo under the Net New tab and be sure to apply the Valid Emails filter so that only verified addresses appear. Once your search results are ready, open the Apollo Chrome extension. Here you'll need to select how many pages you want to scrape and choose a permutations algorithm. In this example, we're scraping 4 pages. Then click Start Scraping. The extension will go through each page and automatically generate email permutations for you. When the scraping process completes, you'll have a permutations file available. Next, import this file back into Apollo by clicking Import, selecting CSV file, and uploading the permutations file. This will take you to the mapping section where you can review all the email permutations before finalizing. After mapping, add the permutations to a list so that you can easily track them later. Once the import finishes, click View and remember to reapply the Valid Emails filter. In this example, we ended up with 73 valid emails, meaning we secured over 50% of the credits for free just by scraping 4 pages.